ಹೋಗಲೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು.
So they're using their 100cc TVS motorcycle.
That viewpoint, आप जन्नत में जाएगा ऐसा सोचेगा. उधर जाने के बाद you will.
Hello people, welcome back to the channel. This is another vlog from Pune now, continuing this journey. So today we are in Pune. We just freshen up, got ready. We are headed out to Shaniwar Wada Palace. That's our first location to visit in Pune, and the time is about 9:30. Rest we'll catch up on the road. Yatish is already down. I'm just turning on the lights and all that. We'll just leave now. So we're all good to go. We found this place by the highway. There are no restrictions here. You don't need any medical certification, nothing. Dude, connect. So we had a problem with the Sena's mic connection yesterday. There is some loose contact with the mic, and most of the stuff that I vlogged was with bad audio. A very busy road. This is the road which heads to Bangalore. We are going to enter Pune city now. Again, yeah. Yesterday we went all the way up to Shaniwar Wada Palace. Realized it's closed at 5:30. Couldn't find a place to stay there, since in the city not all the places are open. We decided that okay, stay out at the highway. It would be better for us. The weather is cloudy. It might rain, it might not rain. We have no rain gear. We're just taking our chances now. Super, we are screwed. This is Shaniwar Wada Fort and it's closed, but Google said it was opened. We have to report to Google that this place is closed. Neene report mado. Let's report on Google and close it first. Thanks for your feedback. People, please do this. We get full like this. We come so far. Bangalore ga. This was a risk that we had to take to travel post-COVID. Most of the places wouldn't be open. And so we head back to the hotel. If we find a nice breakfast point, we'll have breakfast. I think we can avoid all the forts then. None of the forts will be open. If this is not open, I don't think any other fort is open. We will only visit places which is like waterfalls and only waterfalls basically. Nothing else there on our list as of now. Yeah, waterfalls and viewpoints are open. I was hungry, so I had some poha and then I'm vlogging. We got idli, vada, poha and one vada pav. That's what we're having for breakfast today. Not having anything outside. We got takeaway, got to the room, then we'll have. It's okay, adjust karenge, thoda. We're leaving Pune now. The weather is not hot, but it's humid. I don't know if it's because we're in our riding gear. Now we're headed straight towards Malsej Ghat. So we'll see whatever is possible to visit on the way, we'll visit. And then we'll find a place to stay. That is the plan as of now. We just got 10 minutes into the ride and it started pouring so damn heavy for some time. We decided that it's better that we get into our rain gear for the rest of the ride. So we stopped at a place where it was empty, got into our rain gear, and now we're continuing our ride. It's close to 130 kilometers, which will approximately earn 3.5 hours depending on traffic conditions and road conditions. Look at these structures, all old. Wow. And right next to it is a modern building. So we crossed the city and we've entered the mountain area now. I'm not sure if this is entirely a ghat section, but this section where we're riding right now is a ghat section. All this while it was a 4-lane highway, but there was a lot of traffic since a lot of towns were coming every now and then. And it was dry, the roads were dry. As we got onto this Ghat area, it started drizzling. The roads are wet, slippery, but the view is nice. Nariyal pani time. Trying to rehydrate ourselves a little. He's slicing it off. पीने का fresh fruits. Straw नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे दीजिए.
पहले रिकॉर्ड ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು.
We didn't have lunch. We just stopped for tender coconut. Tender coconut was huge, but the price was as huge as it looked. Tender coconut was expensive here, but I wanted it. Riding in the Ghat roads is what all bikers would love to do. I don't know about others, but I do. Riding in those twists and turns. It's getting windy now. The storm just hit us. Oh, look at this. We're just getting covered. We're just going under this. It'll start pouring now. Anytime. What a sight. Wow. That's what we are going to get into. Wow. Yes, man. I'm recording this. Look at it. You said 100 kilometers were coming away, but see that 100 kilometers where it made us reach. It got us to such a beautiful location. In a matter of few minutes, about I guess 20 minutes, the weather change was drastic. Hey, slow down, slippery, gravel. As I was saying, in a matter of 20 minutes, the weather condition just flipped to that. We visited one hill station, and this is the second one. This is not a hill station, I'm not sure. But yeah, as long as you're climbing a hill, I'm happy. Yay! Hey, barricade ಇದೆಯೋ? JCB ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Hey, what an entry. This was the entry that I was looking at from there. Dude, photo, stop behind me. And there's a lovely viewpoint with a lake in front. Superb it is. And just waiting for a photo to be clicked from behind. So we came up, we're riding through the Ghat and we reached this entrance here. There's a cut and this beautiful view was the exit from that side. So we stopped here for a quick pic and it starts drizzling every now and then. So I've been telling this on every episode, in every episode. Yeah. Awesome view. This is something similar to Mahabaleshwar, I feel. We went on top to the tabletop point and we could see a valley like this with water stream and a lake. It's similar like that. Let's continue the ride. We're getting late. We need to visit the waterfall before they close. Hope they're open. Get back on the road. See cactus plants growing there. There is a Ganapati temple there. People who go in two-wheelers are shouting, Ganapati Bappa Moria! And there you see them. Cattle grazing there on top. Yay, this is one of the waterfalls that we spotted on our way. People enjoying taking a shower there. There is a stairway to go up as well, but it's very slippery, so I don't think it's possible. You can do it. Not bad.
क्या है सर?
Camera. stopped at the waterfall there. Yeah, when we stopped there, there was so much crowd. We just came about 100 meters from there and we found this place. It's completely covered. I'm waiting for it to clear. Look at this gateway. Oh, this is a tunnel, Mom! Dude! Tunnel off! Hey, look at this place. It's a nice viewpoint, but there's so much fog cover it. I'm just waiting for the wind to clear. This location's photo has been there on the internet every monsoon, every rainy season. This was like, I don't know, mesmerizing. I don't have words. That was the last. It's lighting issue. I'm standing under this rock. There is this shop here, makeshift shop, which I ordered for Maggie, and once that comes, we'll have that. We just had vada pav. Now we've asked for Maggie. I'm waiting for my Maggie to come. Once our Maggie is ready, look at that place. Wow! You should see it only when it's clear completely. There our bikes are there. There's a temple as well. We're having our Maggie. And then we'll enjoy this view. This is Maggie with a view. I don't know if it's here. That entire mountain, that entire hill is filled with water. It's just flowing non-stop. Cars are just flying here. Yatish wants to click some pics by that side of the road, so he uses the umbrella. What a spectacular sight. Just look at that, how the water flows. That's the valley. And it's time to leave now, but before that I'll take a quick snap. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. Yeah, sure. Bangalore. Shimoga na? Hosura. Hey, super bro. You guys are awesome. 3 weeks
ದೂಧಸಾಗರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ನೀರಿದೆಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ದೂಧಸಾಗರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅದೇ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 10 o'clock ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ 4 hours ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ 5 o'clock ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್?
ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ 1200 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಬಜೆಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್.
ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು
ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ರೋಡ್
ನನ್ನ ಮೇನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮಾನ್ಸೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್
ಓಕೆ.
ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆನಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಮೇಲೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಸು ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಟನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟನಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟ್ಔಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರು.
ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್. ಆ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಲಗೇಜು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ಪುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ಪುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್
ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು
ಓ, ನೀವು ಹಂಗಂಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಸಲು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೆಂಡ್
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನಮ್ದು ದಿನ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು, ದಿನ ಹಾಕೋದು ಕೆಲಸ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಅನ್ಲೋಡ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಲೋಡು, ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಥರ.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಸೂಪರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನವೀನ್ ಅಂತ.
ನವೀನ್, ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ಕೃಷ್ಣ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಮನ್.
ಯತೀಶ್.
ಫೋಟೋ ತೊಗೊತೀರಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್. So we met these two people, one from Shimoga and one from Hosur. So these two guys are epic. So they're using their 100cc TVS motorcycle. So they wanted to take a pic with our bike. We're just waiting for them to finish and we'll move forward. But this cloud cover isn't clearing off. Okay, now it is cleared little. It was there till there. They didn't spend a single rupee on stay. They stayed at friend's place in Pune, friend's place in Bombay, and then they camped at 2-3 places. That is like extreme adventure. I'd like to do that, but again, depending on company and place of stay, a lot of things come into matter there. Yeah, we'll try it once. We'll try camping as well. Let's see. All clear?
ಏನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀನು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಒರೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಒರೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. Whoa, dudes, relax. Just enjoy the view. I just can't get enough of this place. I'm just walking on the railings here, which is not advisable, but then I'm so happy. I'm overjoyed. I'm just doing all this nonsense. Just be careful when you do all this, that's it, nothing else. But yeah, that shower over there is epic.
met sir here.
My name is Narendra Kale.
Okay.
I am from Mumbai. My friends met me here. मेरे को मिले हैं कर्नाटक से, उधर से कर्नाटक से मालसेज घाट देखने आए 4 दिन का जर्नी करके. उनको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. That is भैरवगढ़. It's a fort in Maharashtra.
Okay.
और इधर आप जाएंगे तो इधर पूरा फॉग है. This is हरिश्चंद्रगढ़.
Okay.
ये जो दिखाई दे रहा है हरिश्चंद्र. It's the highest fort in Maharashtra. Highest peak in Maharashtra is Kalsubai, पर highest fort in Maharashtra is हरिश्चंद्रगढ़. अभी क्लियर हो रहा है देखो. और थोड़ा देर में पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा.
Okay. And that river is
That is
Kalu
Kalu
river.
You can see within some time you can see waterfall here. There, Kalu waterfall.
Okay, so we don't have to go anywhere for the waterfall. This is the viewpoint.
This is the viewpoint.
Okay, we were following the map and going.
No, this is the viewpoint.
Okay.
Kalu waterfall is exactly over here,
Okay.
and this is Harishchandragarh. You can see. This is the Harishchandragarh.
अभी कोविड के वजह से वो क्लोज तो नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं, आप लोग जाएंगे ना 2 जन तो कोई क्लोज नहीं होगा. जा सकते हैं. And you stay over there. They will charge around. उनसे खाना ले लिया तो 200 रुपये भी लेगा. गद्दी देगा सब सोने के लिए. और सवेरे गाइड आपको लेके जाएगा, लेके आएगा. गाइड को आपको मालूम नहीं है इधर का. गाइड लेके जाएंगे उतना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग नहीं, फटाफट आएंगे. पर इट इज़ द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फोर्ट इन महाराष्ट्र, हरिश्चंद्रगढ़. यू कैन सर्च इट ऑन गूगल.
हाँ, यूट्यूब पे देखा वीडियो.
और उधर कोंकण कड़ा करके है. एक बड़ा ये है कोंकण कड़ा. दैट व्यू पॉइंट आप जन्नत में जाएगा ऐसा सोचेगा. उधर जाने के बाद यू विल एंजॉय लॉट. बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंसेस आएंगे आपको उधर.
All my camera batteries are down. The phone is the only one which is surviving.
और यहाँ मलसेज में कुछ देखने लायक कुछ
नहीं, इधर ये लास्ट. कल क्या करने का, टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. कल आपके पास दिन है तो ये नहीं जा सकते तो उधर शिवनेरी फोर्ट जाओ. इट्स ए बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज. एंड गाड़ी ऊपर तक जाता है.
अच्छा.
वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस इज हार्डली 20 मिनट्स. बट यू कैन सी द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ शिवाजी. You can birthplace of Shivaji. Now you do one thing. You are not staying over here. You can go to Junnar.
Okay.
You can get hardly hotel in 500 rupees. And tomorrow morning you can go to Shivneri.
Okay.
उधर एक गणपति का लेनाद्री करके भी एक जगह है. ये 2-3 तुम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो.
अच्छा.
इट्स वेरी गुड.
नहीं, ये जाने का ट्राई करेंगे.
ये ट्राई करते तो दी बेस्ट है. पर
आप इतना
शिवनेरी
बोले
में
तो
देखो.
जाएंगे.
शिवनेरी क्या है? शिवनेरी इज द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज. And bikes can go on the top, not exactly on the top, पर बीच तक जा सकते हैं और हार्डली 20 मिनट जाके ऊपर जा सकते हैं. इट्स वेरी गुड सिटी जुन्नर. तुम लोग आले फाटा से आए रहेंगे पर यू गो टू जुन्नर. और जाने के टाइम वापस जाके पूना जाके ऐसा जा सकते हैं.
Okay. So as you all heard from that lovely person, he suggested us places to visit in and around this area and made sure that we don't go into the wrong route, waste time. Harishchandragarh is closed. The fort is not visible since it's too foggy here. Kalu waterfalls is there. That is the Kalu river. So that is done. That's nice man, lovely person, and his son and his relatives were along. They were traveling. They saw us. They came forward, asked us where we headed, what we're doing here, and then suggested us some very nice places. So he's asked us to visit Shivaji Maharaja's birthplace. We'll do that. It's starting to rain. All my camera batteries are dead. I want to charge it, but then I don't know. It's not happening. Something is wrong. My power bank is dead. I have no other source. It's raining. I can't use the chargers outside. All the pros and cons of monsoon rides happen. The pros are such views, spectacular views. The cons are such things that when you can't have enough battery backup. We were actually planning to go to Malsej town and stay there, but then he said what you've come across is the best. You don't have to go anywhere further. There's nothing more. It's rather that you go stay back and then take the other route. So we'll make few change in plans. That's the best part about the road trips. We can change plans as and when we are going. We don't have to stick to a particular itinerary. We can make our own plans. We can alter our plans as and when necessary. So yeah, this thing is covering up more and more. I don't think any more light is going to be here. It's getting dark. We'll leave. I'll catch you guys in the hotel once I'm there.